Sam and Popo?
All right. At 30 seconds, toss it in. Nah, I played silly with him. Oh, I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry. Fuck. All right, start it up.
You lost.
Woo! Go.
Brandon, you want to commentate? Matt, you want to commentate? Maybe. All right.
Who am I playing?
So we got
Anime?
this game. We got not Sluggo versus Tape. I need to update that shit. Update. There we go. All right. We got Mixit versus Bird. Bird is a good fox, but he's a fox. He's that standard TM fox that everybody knows and loves to play and slightly hates to get beat by. But he's definitely a solid player, and right now he's got the edge on Mixit. I mean, Mixit killing himself. I don't know if that can be quite called the edge, but just hits him with the knee. Short hop knee feels so good. I was playing a little bit of Falcon yesterday, and I swear to God, like it's slippery, but once you get used to just running around, you feel great. It's like that feeling that you get like right after you've been running for a while on a treadmill and you stop immediately and just your body still wants the momentum. That's what it feels like. Yeah, I know, I got it. Can you like wait for it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So we've got hits him with that weak. Nice, very nice bird. Just grabbing that ledge, evening it up. Staying in that shield though, a little too long. I didn't get the call, and I'm not sure that upper would have covered any options. He was a little bit too far right to get the tech in place. He gets lucky, Fox privilege. It's that weird up air, and right now, Mixit is just trying to hunt him off of the platform. There's not really a great way for Mixit to be able to take him out off that platform, except for up air through the bottom of it. But hey, he gets him off as soon as he gets on the ground. Very nice though. Oh, that would have been a grab. But hey, he just runs through, didn't take any damage, so it's nothing bad. Ooh, barely gets shield up before he gets that. That could have been bad. And we're trying to keep him in shield, but Mixit knows right the timing when he's going to be able to get the fuck out of there. So he's able to move out of his shield, and Bird again eats it up. Well, this is fairly an even game, especially for Mixit just giving up a stack of food right at the beginning. Bird doing some tricky platform maneuvers, but right now, calls him out. He'd been doing that all game. He's been recovering to the center of the stage with the side B, and he just calls it out for the last stock. Right now, Mixit is ahead by 1. Oh, now I just realized that I did not put that in for the entire last game. I did not update the score. There we go, there's a nice one for him. Oh, I thought he was going to go for it all. I guess it was the only smart thing to do right there was to fucking come off stage and Bird just does it. Lordy days. Okay, so now Bird. Mixit. Speeding up, I suppose. Just putting that pressure on. Good job staying away from that up tilt. Make sure to not get damaged, get popped up. And Bird is going crazy with these shines. Nice. And time to fall. Doesn't matter though. Nothing matters if you take the stock. Though this is looking bad for Bird. Oh, man, just barely gets away with that. Probably would have crit anyways, but right now, Bird's just trying to get a little bit of... Ooh, I see what he was going for. He's going for that shine to me on back air. Didn't work out in his favor, though. But, seems like everything that Bird does. He was, I was listening to an analysis earlier that was just talking about how a lot of times when you get the people off the edge, You don't want to do that full hop to go on down and get him. What you really ought to be trying to do. Nice text. Nice text. Alright, just calls him out for the fade back. I feel like most Falcons love to, I mean, they always try and go to ledge. Just because that's the safest option. I mean, if you land on stage, you're still going to get punished, but if you land on ledge, you get that for free. Oh, it just waits him out. Oh, that was a little greedy. Oh. Okay, roll in. That works out this time. But yeah, if you're off stage, if your guy's off stage, you shouldn't just be trying to like do the full hop and ooh, fucks up. All right, that's the game. She just runs straight off stage and go for the cut.
Did he go? That's so good.
I got you. All right, up on mic.